All right, everybody, welcome back. Today we have a new tool for you guys. This is the Milwaukee M12 Grease Gun. If you've ever greased more than one vehicle or trailer in your life with a manual grease gun, you know how much it sucks. After one or two wheels, your forearms are on fire from pumping. This should make it easier. Hopefully, we're going to grease up this Dodge Ram 3500 and a trailer, and we're going to see how it works. All right, here's the back of the box. Item number 2446-20. It's got a 5-year warranty. That's one of the reasons why we went with this grease gun. We already have the M12 lineup, so that's another reason we went with it, because we don't have to buy new batteries. But it's got an 8,000 PSI max operating pressure, which should be more than enough for everything. It says you can get 7 grease tubes per charge, over 7. 14 inches long and 7.2 pounds with the base, so probably about 7.5 pounds loaded. Storage handle, LED light, and an air bleeder valve for priming. So let's get this thing out and see how it looks. All right, here it is out the box. You've got a little fuel gauge here, your trigger. You've got a eyelet there for a strap, which it did not come with. You got some bumpers along the sides and everything. Get some rubber feet down here, and then a pretty long cord here. Probably, I'd say 3 feet. So it's not too bad. The other side has a small holder here, which I'm not too sure of, because when you go ahead and put the nozzle in here, the spring sits there, and it goes in, but it just doesn't look like it's supposed to be spread that far apart. If we push the spring up, we can get the hose in there, but that might be a cause of concern. These things may pop off. But let's take the grease tube out and see how it looks. First thing we want to do is pull this plunger all the way out and lock it, and then unscrew this cylinder to put the grease in there. All right, so that's basically it. You pull it out and take the tube out. It's got some grease in there, probably from them testing it. Shouldn't hurt anything mixing it. If you want, you can wipe it down. But what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to remove the plastic cap from the bottom side of a grease tube here. This will pop right off. And it's the cardboard side. The metal side stays out. So cardboard side goes in, and we're going to push it all the way down. And as you can see there, it slid right in there. And what you want to do is bottom this out. And take a little pressure, but you bottom that out, and then pull that tab out off and open the can up. All right, if it's sticking up a little bit, that's okay. You're just gonna go ahead and put it inside the grease gun and spin it on and get it all seated down. All right, so we're gonna wanna push this rod all the way back up in there, put the battery in, and then just pull the trigger and see if it primes for 3 seconds. All right, if we did this correctly, grease should come out. Now, it may take a few more seconds because this is a brand new tube and nothing is inside the hose. I can hear it clicking now. We'll give it a rest real quick. I hear it pumping. So it's starting to prime itself now. You hear it? Give it a second again. We're just going to keep doing that because this is the first tube. After you run your first tube through it, you're always going to have grease in this line. So priming should be much easier after this. There it is. And as you can see, it comes right out. I'm going to do one squeeze and show you. We're going to get all that other grease out of there real quick. There it is. See how it's nice and thick coming out now? Super easy. We're just going to get all this other white grease out of here first, and then we're going to go to greasing the truck. All right, we're under the Dodge Ram 3500. We're on the lower ball joint here. Normally these are tough because of all the weight that's on there, but as you can see, we're not even holding the grease gun. It's resting just fine down there. We are on ramps, and it is long enough to get up there. So we're just going to go ahead and squeeze the trigger, and we're going to watch for the grease to come out right down there. All right, let's see if we got grease going in. Yep, looks like we do. Make sure that's on there. And let's hammer away. As you can see, grease is coming out no problem. Super easy to pump up with grease. We're going to do the rest of this truck. It normally takes about a half an hour, but we'll see how quick we can do it. All right, we greased the entire front end of this Ram 3500 in probably less than 10 minutes. Easy, super fast. We're gonna go do 4 wheels on a trailer and show you how quick it is also. All right, we're gonna show you how quickly it fills this grease cavity, this bearing. Super easy, quick work. Well, there it is, the Milwaukee M12 battery-powered grease gun. We didn't even run through 1 bar of battery, and we were able to grease up the entire 3500 and the trailer wheel here. We got the glove on there because the cap broke, so I'll have to put a new cap on. But yeah, if you're tired of pumping up grease guns, this is definitely a good option with a 5-year warranty. So links are in the description. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.